I'm just going to point out a reality about this new space station company that NASA subcontracted to help them put a new space station up, since Russia is kicking them off of the other one as it deorbits. So this company here is making the claim it's going to be sending gigantic modules that are going to piece together in low Earth orbit. They're going to be sending, with who knows what, I'm assuming a SpaceX rocket, launch these gigantic tubes into low Earth orbit so they can, have these gigantic, spacious areas to do all of this lab work. A huge, comfortable place to sleep. All of this nonsense with these huge solar arrays powering who knows what kind of battery systems and all this nonsense that they don't really have and have barely tested on the International Space Station over 20 years. They're going to say all of these things are going to connect together. And when they connect them all together, they're going to make a little central hub point. Now, when I first saw this video, I thought to myself, aha, there it is. The central point here that they all connect to, that's going to have a propulsion system in it. And that's going to be what NASA's been lacking since they tried to put up Skylab and it failed. I mean, they didn't get the shuttle up in time to assist with the boost of keeping it in orbit. So this thing's obviously and then I was like, wait, oh shit, no it's not. And then they started showing the reality that the top and bottom are just extra docking points. There is no propulsion system on this. It's supposed to just float up there and stay up there like Skylab did. And it'll fail just like Skylab did. For some reason, it's been like 50 fucking some odd plus years. Russia's been inhabiting space since the Apollo era successfully because it's about small loads and very specific propulsion systems that keep those loads up, and that's how space stations work. This is all fairy tales. This will fall down. This cannot stay in orbit. There's no proposed measure to keep it in orbit. There's no propulsion systems on it that will keep it in orbit. There's no shuttle that they're going to recreate to keep it in orbit. Starship can't keep it in orbit. This is a fairy tale. NASA's desperate. This is like Axiom Space and everyone else is catching rides on the ISS, trying desperately how to fucking solve that. They still can't figure out how to inhabit space without Russia or China. This is just sad. Good luck, Vast, you guys, losers.